So in this video today, we're going to be checking out the landings at Inspirada by KB Homes. Now this is in the south of Las Vegas, so technically Henderson. And we're going to be checking out that house on the right. That is plan 2125, which is also the square footage. 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-car garage, and then in the low 400,000s. So this house right here had a bedroom downstairs. You can use this as a regular bedroom, guest bedroom, maybe even an office, but very spacious, and it's also great because the bathroom is right next to it. So definitely great for guests. And this is the garage, but it was locked, so we couldn't even check it out. So now coming into the living room, it's very spacious. The ceilings are a lot higher, and as you can see, the way that they staged it makes it feel more open. I do like the spotlights, I like the way they staged the dining table here. In the backyard, it's an okay one, not that big, which is common in Las Vegas, but that's actually a pretty good size compared to all the newer model houses. Then we got the kitchen here with the huge island, deep sinks, great for hosting and just hanging around there. But let's go check upstairs and see what they got. So a lot of the models in this subdivision actually has a loft. Now this is a 3 to 5 bedrooms you can have, so I'm assuming that that loft there could be a bedroom. But it's actually kind of great just as a loft. You split the other bedrooms with the master. So pretty cool, you just chill there, just have your little setup. Again, I like how they staged it, and you got your closet space there. And this would be the master bedroom. We're gonna go into the bathroom. So they have a walk-in shower, place where you can sit, the spotlights, and to this side is the toilet. I'm not too sure if you can have a door. I'm pretty sure you could install one. Yeah, this is the master. You got the walk-in closet, and as you can see, it's pretty spacious. I want to say that's a king. It could be a queen. And here to the left is the laundry room, where you can do your laundry upstairs. You don't have to take your clothes up and down the stairs, which can be convenient. Then to the right is the bathroom for the 2 bedrooms upstairs. So this is just a regular shower with a little tub. And I believe this is the smallest bedroom in the house. I think that's a full mattress, maybe a queen, but as you can see, you got the smaller closet, and maybe if you're adding a desk, it might feel a little stuffy in there. This is the other bedroom, a lot more bigger. That's a queen, and you can see more space, but the way that they stage it, you can probably work around it. And this one has a smaller walk-in closet, but definitely bigger than the other room right next door. But that's going to be it for this video. If you guys want to check out the next house that we looked at, I'll have a preview of it at the end of this video, or if it's up yet, you guys can check it out on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you at the next house. The kitchen, yeah.